Hey there, how's everyone doing today? Today is a great day. We're taking a look at a new Oris, one of the Oris Heritage models. This is the Oris Diver 65. Now there's this version is a new version that came out, the Bezel world, and really cool. A lot of people talking about it. Can't wait to get a look at it. So here we're taking a look at a Diver 65, the bronze and stainless, and because of that, through the magic of TV here, boom, there it is, unboxed. What happens is when you get these, they're all covered in a wad of paper to protect the bronze during shipping, and not much to look at when you unbox it, so we fast forward that part, save you a little bit of time there. Now this model is the 017337707-4355-0782017, and this one is more affectionately called the BiCo or BiCo. Not sure which way. I've heard it both ways. And that basically is an abbreviation for the two words bicolor, and given it a new definition because they've kind of created a new watch here. You've seen these, with the stainless and gold two-tone, that kind of deal, but this two-tone isn't your traditional two-tone, so that's why they call it the bicolor. And it is a really nice looking watch. The blue is a little darker when you see it in real life than you see it when you look at it in the pictures of it, but it is a beautiful, rich, dark blue. Now Oris has done an interesting thing here. They've combined the stainless steel with the bronze, and it gives it a really different look, and again, that's why you have that bicolor name, and it'd be interesting to see how other designs that come up with this inspired idea. Now I love the fact that they use this with the Divers 65, and they change it up a bit. It's not just like a dressed up Diver 65, it's kind of its own version in the Diver 65 world. Now if you look at the markers there for the hours, they use actually an old radium coloring to keep in with that vintage look, and the band, like the other Diver 65 before it, when you see them in stainless steel, they have the rivets to match the old dive watches as well. Here you can see it on my wrist. This watch is 40 millimeters, or a little over 1.5 inches, and I love the size of it. It's a good size watch. It's a little more on the smaller size if you're used to wearing larger watches, but it definitely has that vintage vibe, but with a little bit of a bigger case. The movement for this watch is the Oris 733, which is based on the SW 200-1. Now that movement gives you a power reserve of about 38 hours, and it is a 26 joule movement. And there you can see the back of the strap. And I'm trying to show you the watch in different colors. The dial, the face, is really, like I said before, a rich blue, and it's hard to capture it on video, and I think that's why it looks a little bit lighter in the photographs that you see of it online. But I'm trying to give you more of like a live feel with it. That dome makes it hard to really see how dark the blue is. It's kind of a navy blue, but a little more rich. It's not as matte, it's a little more glossy than the Carl Brashear was. If you really think about it, this watch could have gone wrong in so many different ways, but it really looks like a classic watch. When you look at the high relief bezel there, just all little details with that bezel in the bronze, the fact that they do the markers with the bronze as well, it just complements each other. The one thing I'm not crazy about is the back of the strap here. It tapers a little too small for me. I know they're going with the classic look, but I'm not feeling it too much. Now that is a very minor issue I have with the watch. Otherwise it's great. The pros outweigh the cons. It is it's a different looking watch, but still yet it's got that vintage feel. I don't know how they do it. Looks great. And here we see it in the dark. Again, great watch. Thanks everyone for taking the time to listen.